Sure. For us, hula is a way of life. It's a way for us to practice and to preserve our traditions. It's also a way for us to connect our present to our past. And we really appreciate that the rest of the world and the international communities and other cultures show interest in ours. In the Hawaiian culture, they show interest in hula. That sort of gives us a clue to what we have, something that we have that is precious, that we should malama, something that we should take care, because other people see it at a high level, at a high degree, and we should do it ourselves.
就是来上这堂课之后，就发现其实就是呼啦有太多我们要学习的地方，然后也是对我们来讲是非常好的经验，就是跟不同的老师学习。
会非常的乐于参与。我觉得其实我的学生也好，我自己也好，大概是参与率最高的。因为我几乎每一个愿意来台湾的老师的课，我都会尽量鼓励学生去。那其实我们每一年大概都有。
Yeah, absolutely. Please do. Please invite. You know, all of us in the hula community here in Taiwan. You know, it's a smaller community. So we are very appreciative of efforts to bring in kumu and performers and dancers from Hawaii. We love it, and we're very anxious to absorb as much as we can. I think all hula dancers are always looking for more to learn. We recognize the value of hula and Hawaiian culture is you're always learning. There's always more to learn. So we